Hi, this is Real Zio, and I was going to do a review on the Mary Kate and Ashley trio. Well, it smells like really good, and it comes in purple, green, and blue. This is what it looks like. But yeah, I got it at Walmart. I suggest you buy it. I like it a lot. I've swatched them. Purple. Green. Blue. And yeah. So yeah, the words right here, like they say, Mary Kate and Ashley, Iglam, Shadow Trio. Yeah. I know I've been doing a lot of reviews, cause like I can't think of anything else. So yeah, pretty much my channel will be just reviews. You can ask me what to do reviews on. I mean, I don't care. I might go out and buy what you want me to do a review on. But like, yeah, this is my video. So that's my review. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.